The L5000 pump has a dose verification feature. It is used to validate the accuracy of the calibration. When handling chemicals or replacing parts on the L5000, be sure to wear the proper personal protective equipment. In this case, you'll be wearing gloves and goggles. The tools needed for dose verification are a flathead screwdriver or the appropriate size nut driver and a graduated cylinder. To begin, press and hold the center bottom button for 6 seconds on the gray handheld to get the password screen. The default password is 890. Once the password is entered, press the center bottom button to navigate. The screen you'll be using is indicated at the top by F1 and T1, which stands for Formula 1 and Trigger 1. It also has a reading that confirms the pump number. Using the plus or minus buttons, select the formula number, then move the cursor to T and select the trigger for the pump you are now choosing to verify. Then use the cursor to select the letter of the dose you wish to verify. The pump number will appear in the center bottom line following the letter P. Make sure that the correct pump is selected. Next, move the cursor so that it is hovering over the dose amount. Next, use a screwdriver to loosen the hose clamp and remove the discharge line. Then, place a graduated cylinder below the discharge side of the pump. Use the left action key on the controller. Hold it down until the pump has stopped. Once the L5000 thinks it has reached 4 ounces or the pre-programmed amount, it will stop on its own. In this case, the dose verification has worked. If the dose verification does not work, it may need to be recalibrated or the squeeze tube may need to be replaced. Once you are finished, the discharge tube will be reinstalled. Tighten your hose clamps so they're snug. Be sure to position them above the barb and do not over-tighten them. Not following these instructions may result in air leakage or may cut into plastic tubing. You will also need to reset the gray controller by holding the center bottom button for 6 seconds to return to the run mode. The L5000 is now ready for use.